Hello, good people, once again. New map update. Not from me, this one's from Garmin. Version 2027.20 North America. Let's do it! Oh, agree to a bunch of terms. Okay, fine. Come on. Installation may take forever. Okay. Go. Oh, joy. Well, let's see if this actually works. I'll be back later, but for you, it'll be instant. After waiting 47 years, oh, we're almost done. Let's see what happens. Oh, complete. Nice, but not quite done yet. Let us see. Okay, I want to install this to Basecamp. I think that's under details. Oh, I gotta do a reconnect. Hold on. Yay, it says it's done. Okay. Hold on. Yep, we are good. So let's connect this back to the computer and go from there. Alright, show me something good. I just reconnected it. Come on. There we go. That's the sound I like. Okay, there we go. Right. Map details. Option. Oh, where was it? God. Where was that thing? Tools and content. Utility. Oh, this is so annoying. Oh, wait. Manage. There we go. Okay. Computer. Install to computer. There we go. I had to remember where it was. Ugh. So now we wait another 47 years. Yeah. Another 47 years later. Oh, we got some install stuff going on. It's preparing something. Okay. Yes, please. Gathering something. This is still Windows 10, by the way, if you couldn't tell. I had 11 on this thing. What a pile of trash that was. I went back to 10 and stayed there. Oh, I still run Linux on my other computer, don't get me wrong. But for the Garmin stuff, I gotta use Windows for that. Oh, I should also mention, there was a Garmin Express update to, well, I'll get the version number in a second. Let me just let this go through first. Oh, it's installing. Good. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. Okay. Done. Let us launch. Hold on a second. Okay, in Basecamp, I can see it already. Where is it? There you are. 2027.2. We're doing good. It's reading all the stuff from the Drive Smart 66 right now, so this is updated. This is good. I think I can also see, yeah, right from here, Maps. Oh, actually, I got both of them at 20. I have to uninstall 2027.1. I'll do that later. But, okay. So it's got all this stuff. That's good. But we're not done yet, because there's a specific model of Nuvi I want to try to see if it actually still works with this map update. So let's go get that. Yeah, $25.99. Now, I got a reason to plug in this one. Well, I gotta plug in a bunch of them, but I wanted to tackle this one because my $25.89 effectively got soft locked because of the last map update. Will this one do the same, or will it take the update? So it's saying there, what do we got here? Oh, we got a bunch of traffic updates. Oh yeah, keyboard, help file, and of course the map update. Well, let's do all of it, right? Okay, are you gonna soft lock me, or is it gonna work? It's gonna make me reboot. Yelp is gonna make me reboot the damn thing. I'll be right back. Just as a side note, I will reboot this thing separately just to see, and I have this on a separate power source. It says unplug from Express and plug it back in, it'll work. I don't trust that, so I do it separately. And oh, hello reflection. And I do it this way because it's just more excuse me, stable. So I just plug it in separate, let it do its thing, and then I go back over to Garmin Express afterward and then let it do its update that way. That's just the more reliable way of going about it. And when it says it takes several minutes, that's typically true, because it did install a bunch of traffic stuff. Well, let it do its thing and we'll find out if the map update takes. Ooh, exciting, isn't it? No, not really. Alright, we got a reboot. I guess it worked. Probably? Oh, let's go put it back into Garmin Express. See what happens then. Okay, plugged in. Oh, good. Complete. And now the big map update. Are you gonna take? Are you gonna do it? Or are you gonna give me grief? Let's see. Oh, okay, no grief. I think it's gonna take. Nice. So now we wait another 47 years. Yeah, but you know the drill by this point. Well, it looks like $25.99 is gonna take the map. Let's see if it finishes. So intense. Oh my god. Yes. Oh. Oh, up to date. But let's turn it on and see if it actually shows up. Alright, powered on. Oh, map update, thank you. And nice. It took, but I got one more thing to test. Okay, this is the 2589. Excuse me. This is the one that is soft locked, and I could not update to 2027.1. Never mind this version. So, because there's been a new update, let's just see if this will unlock it and now it'll work. Well, we're going to find out. Or if it's going to give me grief. Before I even do this, I am going to make a prediction that it's still soft locked. Find out. Alright, it would have been... Yeah, oh, no! Oh my god, is this going to take? Ooh, okay, hang on. Okay, same as before. Yeah, this thing's filthy. I just put it in the closet and didn't care. I didn't think this thing was going to work again. So, let's see. Okay, nothing. Okay, well, put it back into Express. See what happens. I am still not. It's booting right now. I am still not convinced this thing is unlocked. I'm pretty sure it's still soft locked. But I guess we're going to find out. You and me together. Aw. Okay. Anyway, let's get on with it. Okay. Are you gonna? I will be shocked if this actually takes. Okay, yep, traffic, right. Oh, it's doing another software update, okay. Yeah, alright. Oh, another restart. Okay, well, let's do that. Okay, another reboot of the filthy Garmin. Filthy. Oh, okay. Restart now. Yes, please. Okay, it's doing just like the 2599 did, which is not surprising. It should. I'll let this go, and we'll go back over to Express and go from there. I'm excited. Maybe I saved it. Ooh. All right, back for another round. Waiting for connection. All right. Are you gonna do it? Oh, okay, wait. Now, go. Accept. Continue. Oh, still soft locked. I knew it. Okay. Latest version of these maps have so much new information that this is a lie, by the way. I'll explain that in a second. We're not able to fit all in the please contact product support. Okay, the deal with the 2589 and the 2689 is that because of voice file crap, it cannot take the update, even though there's a ton of space left on the memory card. Yeah. Ah, I was excited for a second. I thought I saved it, but no. Now, that doesn't mean the unit is unusable. I can still put my maps on it and continue to use it. I just can't use the Garmin maps. So, okay. The 2599 still good. 2589, and this also accounts for the 6-inch screen version too. Yeah, the 89, no go. Actually, I'll do one more here. The entire reason I bought the 2539 to see if those should take, no problem. So, should I put that in the video? Yeah, you know what? I'll put it in this video. So let's go grab one of those. Yep, 2539, no problem. It's, yeah. This one I expected to work just fine. So 39s that do not have voice control, no problem with the update at all. That's gonna take, and it's just, yeah, it's just copying away, so that's good. So, okay, drive smart, no problem. 2589, 2689, soft locked. 2599, no problem. 2539, no problem. And that's it. So anyway, the new Garmin map update is out. Go to your Garmin Express and just do what I did here, and you're good. Woo! See ya.